Hey everyone, so check it out. I've taught my older two sons how to drive. Now boy 3 wants to learn how to drive. Man, I just can't take it. He's only 16.
15, buddy.
Oh, he's 15. I'm sorry, I stand corrected. All right, so you got to stay tuned on, of course, this is day 1, 2, 3, day 4, December 4th, day 4 of VLOGMAS! Alrighty, so welcome back. So check it out. Today, I'm going to show my son number 3 how to drive. We're going to go out and roll around. Luckily, we live in a gated community. I don't have to worry about him hopping in them streets. Man, hop in the car so we can go. You know how to get in? Let me see if you know how to get in the car correctly. Okay, way to go. All right, he knows how to get in correctly. All right, let's see how this goes. Car's a little bit dirty.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to have you wash it at some point. All right. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All righty, so you're gonna put your hand at 10 and 2. Bring it down just a little bit. Bring your hands down just a little bit on steering. Okay, good. All righty, so you got your seatbelt on? See, look at you. That's the first thing you're supposed to do when you get in the car.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this thing.
Wait.
Yeah, take your phone out. We don't want anybody calling you. All right, here we go. So after a hard day in the classroom, actually, I'm lying. It wasn't that hard today. My students didn't show up, so it was just me and my other adults in my classroom just sitting on a Zoom call, just kind of talking and planning for next week. So hopefully my students will come back. Come back, students, I need you. Come back. Come back. Alrighty, so we're gonna show boy 3 how to drive down the street, make a left turn, make a right turn, and we're just gonna make this a really simple trip. You know, not only am I a professional teacher and educator, I also have to extend the same thing to my son and teach him how to drive in these streets. All right, let's go. Okay, so you ready? All right, don't hit the car up here, cause
Your car?
yeah, don't hit my car, cause I'm gonna be upset. All right, so let's make a hard turn. I'm gonna help you. Put a little gas on it. Just a little bit. Turn. All right, there we go. Okay, and then there you go. Good job. Good job. Okay, now keep it straight. All righty. Put a little gas. A little gas. All right, there you go. Good job. Don't hit this car. Okay, on your side of the street. Car's dirty. Man, you need to wash this car.
Okay.
All right, stop sign. Oh, don't jerk me, bruh.
I'm sorry.
All right.
I make sure.
Left, right, left. Oh, man, you jerking. Okay, good job.
My turn signal.
Yeah, you did. Okay, don't turn so much. Okay. All righty, good job. Good job, son. Watch the speed bump.
Yep.
All right. Good job. Way to go. All right. Good job. Way to go. Keep your eyes straight. Stay on your side of the street. Way to go. Slow. Watch your turn. Watch your turn. Turn too fast. There you go. That's good. Okay. All right. Stay in your lane. Don't hit the mailman.
Nope.
All right.
He delivers our mail.
Delivers the mail. Good job. You know, it really wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, son. Good job for being able to go on out there. I think this is your 3rd time, 2nd time, 1st time, 4th time?
4th time.
Okay, you're coming along, man. You just need to work on your turns and staying on your side of the street. And it's all about safety, son. We're worried about your safety because once you get out there in them streets, it's going to be crazy, right? People will be honking, so luckily, we live in a gated community that we can just kind of roll around the block a couple of times and get him acclimated to learning the trickery of driving, especially in LA. You know, we already got the California roll named after us, right? So I want to teach him the good way to drive instead of the bad way. So again, my job is never done. When I'm teaching, I'm still teaching. When I'm not teaching, I'm still teaching. Anyway, thank you guys for watching me trying to teach this young king how to drive. As always, like, comment, or subscribe. Say something positive to what we're trying to do. I'm trying to create a story with my vlog. And so thank you guys for watching. God bless. And you want to say anything, son?
Peace out.
You heard him, man. Peace out.